Hi, everyone, and welcome to 4J Media Live for April 28th, 2019. And today we're going to talk about how to get started with G Suite. So let's check it out. Let's go over to our Google machine and let's type in G Suite. I'm going to go to Features and Pricing. And so here you can see, choose your G Suite edition. You can try it out for free for 14 days. So you can do the basic, the business, or the enterprise. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can compare editions in more detail. So let's do that. And now you can see what the differences are. So if you go with the basic, you're going to get 30 gigs of storage. If you go with business or enterprise, you get unlimited storage. You get access across devices, computer, phone, and tablet. Works without internet connection. Compatible with Microsoft Office. Centralized Administration Console, Vault for e-discovery and archiving. That's only for business and enterprise. And then from there, these two options are only for the enterprise. And then design for work, ad-free, mobile device, easy to migrate, and 24/7 support. Data regions is only for business and enterprise. Secure by design, enterprise certification and compliance. Those two are across the board. Cloud identity, premium, that's only for enterprise. OAuth apps whitelisting, that's all three. Advanced data loss preventions for Gmail and Drive, that's only for enterprise. Security center, same thing. Alert centers for all three. Open and extensible G Suite Marketplace with hundreds of business apps, APIs and admin SDK for extending functionality. That's across the board. App Maker for building custom apps for business and for enterprise, and then analyze Gmail logs and BigQuery, only for enterprise. So you see what the features are. Okay, now I want to show you the applications. So let me log into my G Suite account so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go to 4jmedia.com. And I'm going to hit next. So now you can see you have the admin console. Okay, so we have users, groups, organizational units, building and resources, devices, apps, security, reports, and company profile. So the one I'm going to focus on the most is the users and the apps. So let's go to users. And you can see here I have two users. I have myself twice. I have Josh at 4J Media and Jay Werner at 4J Media. And the reason why I have two different ones is I wanted to do Jay Werner, but I changed my mind and decided to do Josh at 4J Media due to the fact that it's a simpler email address to remember. And it's shorter too. So I try to make things short and simple and sweet so that way it's not annoying people when they're trying to write me an email. So if you click on the plus sign, you can bulk upload users, or you can add a new user. So let's add a new user here real quick. And we're going to call this John Doe. And the email is going to be John at 4J Media. And he doesn't have a secondary email address. Doesn't have a phone number. And the only ones that are required are organizational unit, the primary email, the last name, and the first name. Then you could either do automatically generate a password, ask for a password change at sign in, or you could do this, where you can go here and you can create the password. So let's do this, and I'm going to do just a random. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. So let's do JD. Okay. Okay, that's a ridiculous password. Now I'm going to copy this. And let me copy this. I'm going to add user and just show you how this works. So when you add a new user, you can click to copy the password, which I did. I'm going to hit done. And now when I go here and I refresh, I have John Doe, or John at 4J Media. He's set up. I can reset his password. I can rename the user. I can add to groups, email user, suspend user, restore data, delete user, or change organizational unit. So for this example, I'm going to delete the user just to show you how easy it is to create and delete. So I'm going to delete everything, okay? And there you go. So you have 20 days to recover your data, to recover the user. If you don't recover it in 20 days, they get deleted. Okay, so the same thing here. So that's that. Now what we're going to do quick is we're going to go over to this area right here, the Google Apps area, and we're going to go to the Google Calendar real quick. Okay, so you have Google Calendar. Let's start from the top here. So you have Gmail. So let's go to Gmail. Okay, so I have Gmail here. You have Drive, so you can see my files here. Okay, you have Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Okay, so you can kind of see these different documents that I have. You can do Calendar, Chat, Meet. So I don't have it set up right now, but I just want to show you the beginning of it. Okay, and this is a Meet. So you can set up a Meet here. I'm going to close that for right now. Same with this one. Google Plus, Sites, Contacts. So you got Google Plus, you can join Google Sites, create websites, Google Contacts. And you can create labels and organize stuff there. So again, the idea of this course or this tutorial is to show you what's included in G Suite and why you should try it out instead of Office 365. Google Vault. So this is another great application. We have Admin, Hangouts, Forms, Keep, Collections, Cloud Search, Jamboard, Classroom, and Cloud Print. And then you can go to the G Suite Marketplace, which adds a whole bunch of extensions and apps that are available for you to download to play with and see what you can come up with. So, in essence, that is what G Suite is. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.